Yeah, so today we're diving into the world of hair products and discussing some harmful ingredients that you might find in your favorite products. But worry not, because we also have an exciting solution to share with you. My name is Israel Mensgota, and this is Good Living Ghana. Most hair care products contain toxic chemicals to give your hair instantly satisfying results. First, it may be nice to see your hair clean, shiny, voluminous, and smooth. However, this short-term satisfaction may be followed by side effects such as hair loss, skin irritant, hormone imbalance, and even cancer risk. So let's talk about some of the harmful ingredients that can be found in conventional hair products. You may be surprised to learn that some of the ingredients you've been using on your hair could actually be damaging in the long run. But don't worry, Purple Rain Cosmetics has got you covered. Ingredients like sulfates, parabens, and silicones can strip your hair of its natural oils, leaving it dry, brittle, and prone to breakage. Not to mention, they can also irritate your scalp and even have potential long-term health effects. It's time to make a change and choose products that are good for both you and the environment. Purple Rain Cosmetics, a startup committed to creating hair products that are safe, effective, and environmentally friendly. Their products are formulated with natural ingredients that nourish your hair from the roots to the tips without any harmful additives. They offer a wide range of products from shampoos and conditioners to styling creams and serums. But don't just take my word for it. Purple Rain Cosmetics has received rave reviews from customers who have experienced remarkable transformations in the health and appearance of their hair. Here's what some of them have to say.
Hello, see my sweetheart's hair. You see her hair. You dey be there and be like it's nice. Her hair. See. All thanks to Purple Rain Cosmetics.
And one thing I just love about their hair products is they are free from harmful chemicals. The moment I used this hair product on my hair felt so relaxed. My scalp felt warm. Guys, let's check my lines out. You can see the lines are visible and clear without impurities. Like, it works like magic, guys.
It's incredible to
So
see
guys,
positive
this is my
impact that natural
hair
ingredients
after
can have on our hair health.
and
With Purple Rain
the
Cosmetics,
Purple
you can
Rain
confidently say
cosmetic
goodbye to
products
harmful
are really
ingredients
good.
and
Like
embrace a hair
all
care
this is
routine
under
that
growth.
prioritizes
All
your
this is
well-being.
under
So, if you're looking for hair products that are safe, effective, and made with love for both you and the planet, check out Purple Rain Cosmetics. Don't forget to give them a follow and show them some support. Remember, your hair deserves the best.